Hello everyone, if your Hogwarts Legacy is stuck on black screen, not loading or crashing on your computer, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix all of those issues on Hogwarts Legacy easily. So first off, what you're going to do is you're going to open up your start menu, you're going to open run up, and then you're going to go on to app data, and then you're going to go into local, and here you're going to find the folder called Hogwarts Legacy. So just click on any folder, press H on your keyboard. Here it is, Hogwarts Legacy. You're just going to go ahead and delete this folder, and after that you're going to go to your Hogwarts Legacy's directory. So it's in my C drive, but you're going to go to your directory, and then you're going to go into engine, plugins, runtime, NVIDIA, streamline, binaries, third party, and lastly Win64. And here you'll have this file called slpcl.dll. You're just going to go ahead and delete this file. And once you're done deleting it, now what you're going to do is you're going to open up your start menu again. You're going to write here Windows Security, and then you're going to go into virus and threat protections, click manage settings right under virus and threat protection settings, scroll down here, click add or remove exclusions, click yes on here, click add an exclusion, click folder, and then go to your Hogwarts Legacy's directory, select your game's exe file here, and once you put in that exe file, now when you try to play Hogwarts Legacy, you'll see that your game will work correctly. You will not face any of those issues I mentioned. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.